In today's digital age, social media has become a powerful tool for businesses and individuals alike. However, with so much content being shared every second, it can be challenging to capture the attention of your audience. That's where making your social media content more engaging comes into play. Engaging content is like a magnet that pulls people in and keeps them hooked. It encourages users to like, comment, and share, ultimately increasing your reach and visibility. So, how can you make your social media content more engaging? Firstly, it's crucial to know your audience. Understanding their interests, preferences, and needs will help you tailor your content to suit their tastes. This could involve creating polls, surveys, or simply asking questions to gather insights directly from your followers. Next, focus on creating visually appealing content. Images, videos, and infographics are more likely to catch the eye and evoke emotions than plain text. Incorporating eye-catching visuals can make your content stand out in the sea of social media posts. Another technique is storytelling. People love stories, it's in our nature. By sharing personal anecdotes or inspiring narratives, you can create a connection and foster engagement. Additionally, use humor, when appropriate, to make your content more enjoyable and relatable. Furthermore, try to post consistently and at the right times. Regularly sharing fresh content keeps your audience engaged and demonstrates your commitment. Understanding the peak activity times of your audience will help ensure that your content appears in their feeds when they're most likely to see it. Lastly, be authentic and genuine. Social media users appreciate transparency and honesty. Showcasing the real human side of your brand or personality can foster trust and encourage engagement. Remember, making your social media content more engaging is an ongoing process. Continuously experiment, analyze, and adapt your content strategy based on the response you receive. By employing these techniques, you'll be well on your way to creating captivating and engaging social media content.